Hello, in this video I will do an ASVAB General Science Exam 2. So let's begin. Question 1. What is the correct number of atoms represented in this chemical? So we have C6, H10, and then you have OH, which I think it means, I'm not sure what OH stands for, but there's six of them. So what you got to do is, so these are subscripts. So C has 6, H has 10, and then if you distribute this subscript, this is going to be 0, 6, and then H6, right? So there's six carbons. Oh, this is 10. And then there's how many total of hydrogen? Now you have 10 here, and then you have six, that's 16. And then you have six oxygen. That would be, I think it's A. Six, so we said it was six carbons, 16 hydrogen, and six oxygen. So yeah, six carbon, 16 hydrogen, and this is not 60, but six oxygen. So I think it's A. A heavy piece of equipment is dropped from the top of a building. It fell at a rate of 5 meters per second. How far does it fall in 3 seconds? So I think they're talking about distance. So we're probably going to use distance equals rate times time. And I think we have everything. Let's see. It says it's fell at a rate of 5 meters over, because per means over, second. And then our time was, and it fell at a rate how far? And then it fell at a rate of 5 meters per second. How far does it fall in 3 seconds? Okay, so our time is 3 seconds. So as you can see, you multiply across, so 5 times 3 is 15. And then this is a 1, so 1 times 1 is 1. So it's really 15. And then what is our new units? The seconds disappear, so you're left with meters. So I think it's D. Okay, let me double check. Yeah, it is definitely 15 meters. Question 3. How many chromosomes are contained within a human egg or sperm cell? Um, it would be 23. So as you can, as like I said before, I'm not a biology teacher. I'm a math tutor. So it's just something you have to know for the exam. So C. Okay. Question 4, identify the true statement. Is A, electrons have a positive charge in our outside of the nucleus of the atom? Is it B, electrons have a negative charge and are outside the nucleus of an atom? Or is it C, electrons have a neutral charge and are located outside the nucleus of the atom? Or is it D? Electrons have a negative charge and are within the nucleus of an atom. It is going to be E. So the correct answer is B. Electrons have a negative charge and are outside the nucleus of an atom. So yeah, identify the true statement. It's B. Electrons have negative charge and are outside the nucleus of an atom. Five, green plants manufacture food through the process of A, formation, B, digestion, C, photosynthesis, or C, cell division. I think it might be photosynthesis. Double check. Hmm. Yeah, it's going to be C. Photosynthesis. Which of the following indicates a fever in a human? Is it 96 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Fahrenheit, 98 degrees Fahrenheit, or 102? I think 96 and 98 are perfectly fine. 37 or 102. I think 102 might be a little too high. So I think it might be that one. Uh, Hold on. I think it's 102. Let me check. Yes, it is definitely 102. 102 is just way too high. Choose the correct to quote question 7. Choose the correct order of organs that uh food passes through as it travels through the digestive tract. Um, that is going to be, I think it's a mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestines, and large intestines. Yeah, it's A. So it goes through the mouth, then goes through the esophagus, then the stomach, then the small intestines, then the large intestines. Question 8, the rotation of the Earth on its axis is responsible for A, night and day. Okay, so the rotation of Earth on its axis is responsible for A, night and day. According to the law of superposition, where are the oldest geologic layers found? That would be Double check. It is going to be C, towards the bottom of the layer of a stone. So, yeah, just know this. It's just something you need to know. Yeah, so according to the law of superposition, where are the oldest geological layers found? C, towards the bottom of the layer of a stone. Solids are transferred directly into gas through the process of condensation, melting, sublimation, or vaporization. I think it's going to be sublimation. So yeah, solids that are transferred directly into gas through the process of sublimation. A metal, uh, question 11, a metal rod 1 meter in length, 4 millimeters when it's heated. How much would a 1.5 meter rod of the same material expand when heated at the same temperature? That would be 6 millimeters. Yeah, so C, B. So a metal rod 1 meter in length, 4 millimeters, when heated, how much would 1.5 meter rod of the same material expand when heated at temperature? So it is C. So the rod's expansion is proportional to its length for a given temperature. That oh, all the time. So let's view the questions real quick. Oh, right. Yeah. So question one is right. Question two is right. So if you need to pause the video, that's fine. Question three is this. Question four is that. Question five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay, let's continue on with question 12. An object has a mass of approximately 5 kilograms. What is its approximate weight? So it's either in kilograms or newtons. How do we calculate this? It would be so it would be 49 newtons. And why is that? So the object weight is its force. It's the product of its mass and its acceleration from gravity. So an object has a mass of 5 kilograms. So what is its approximate weight? So the weight is going to be 5 kilograms times, I think it's going to be, so it says it's this mass times the acceleration. I think the acceleration is 9.8 meters per second square. Is that right? Would that give you 49? So yeah, it's going to be the mass times the acceleration. That's how they got 49 newtons. Okay, 13. Uh, a ball a ball rolls and a block slides down an incline from which the same place. Do not consider the friction on the block. Which one reaches the bottoms first? So there's no friction on the block, so it's going to be the block. So yeah, it would be C, the block. So both will have the same kinetic energy at the bottom of the incline, but only some of the rotating ball uses energy. The block will have a faster speed and reach the bottom first because of the non-friction. 14. Approximately how much of the Earth is covered by water? So this is something you need to know. It's a lot. It's 70%. I thought it would be 90, but yeah, it's 70%. So the Earth is covered by 70% of water. That's a lot. 15. The most common gas in the Earth atmosphere is B, nitrogen, not oxygen. So yeah. The reason is yeah, it is nitrogen. It says 78% of Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen. Oxygen compromises about 21%. So oxygen is like 21%. The remaining 1% contains several gases in small amounts. So it is nitrogen. Okay, I will stop here.